We're starting with a thrilling and eagerly awaited update regarding the DJI Mavic 4. We have a clear idea of what this next-generation drone will offer thanks to recent leaks that have revealed a number of groundbreaking features. There's a lot to explore here, including cutting-edge hardware designs, in-flight video, and even a first look at the new RC Pro 2 controller. To make sure you understand why this drone could revolutionize the market, let's examine every aspect. A known but changing design. First, let's discuss the hardware. Similar to its predecessors, the DJI Mavic 4 retains a recognizable design language, as anticipated. But some noteworthy improvements set it apart. Reminiscent of DJI's mini-series, the folding arms guarantee portability without sacrificing a sturdy design. In addition to enhancing functionality, this design meets the needs of business users who value portability without sacrificing functionality. The redesigned camera module, which sticks out slightly from the front and clearly emphasizes advanced optics, is a noteworthy highlight. According to leaks, the drone will weigh more than 1 kilogram, weighing 1,450 grams. In terms of European regulations, this puts it squarely in the C2 category. There are two sides to this classification for drone enthusiasts in Europe. Advanced capabilities are made possible, but there are also more stringent operational requirements. To fly the Mavic 4 far from populated areas, hobbyists will require an A3 license. For flights nearer to people, they will need an A2 license. This restriction may cause casual users to search elsewhere for lighter drones, such as the DJI Mini 3 Pro or the Air 3S. A professional's enterprise focus. Interestingly, the Mavic 4 seems to be more suited for professionals and business users than for casual enthusiasts. DJI's intention to develop a powerful yet portable drone for commercial use is evident from the specifications and design decisions. This direction is further supported by the improved camera specifications. Although the camera's remarkable image quality has been mentioned in earlier leaks, new information reveals more about its versatility. According to reports, the Mavic 4's camera module supports vertical shooting, a capability that has the potential to completely transform the way businesses and creators create content for social media. Its enterprise-grade positioning is also consistent with the price tag. Given that the base model costs an estimated €2,200, it is obvious that DJI is aiming to attract professionals who are prepared to spend money on state-of-the-art equipment. The RC Pro 2 controller. A revolution. The brand new RC Pro 2 controller is yet another revolutionary feature. You'll notice the innovative updates right away if you've used any of DJI's previous controllers. The days of compacting the controller by unscrewing sticks are long gone. Foldable sticks, a long-awaited feature that greatly improves portability, are introduced in the RC Pro 2. Additionally, the larger sticks provide improved precision and grip. Users will have more control during flights thanks to the additional customizable buttons that go along with this ergonomic improvement. Another noteworthy feature of the controller is its integrated screen. It has a smooth foldable design and is mounted on a bracket that resembles the remote control for the Phantom 4 Pro. The true kicker though? The vertical recording capability of the controller. The Mavic 4 goes above and beyond the standard vertical video recording by completely rotating its camera module. All sensors will be able to shoot vertically without losing resolution thanks to this. This feature by itself might be a big draw for content producers who target platforms like Instagram or TikTok. Enhanced durability and performance. The Mavic 4 is designed for performance as well as looks and usability. Upgraded motors are reportedly recommended for improved flight stability, even in windy conditions. Its battery life is also said to be longer than that of earlier Mavic models, possibly providing up to 40 minutes of flight time between charges. Another priority has been durability. The drone is anticipated to have improved materials that increase its resistance to deterioration. The Mavic 4 promises dependability whether you're conducting professional surveys or filming dramatic footage in harsh environments. Date of release and expectations. The release date is arguably the most anticipated detail. The DJI Mavic 4 is expected to be released in April 2025, which is within the second quarter of that year, according to the most recent reports. Even though it may seem like a long wait, DJI has plenty of time to improve the drone and make sure it lives up to expectations. It's important to remember that DJI has several other products in the works, even though the Mavic 4 is soon to be released. This is in line with their plan to continuously innovate and diversify their product line to maintain their lead in the cutthroat drone market. Concluding remarks. It appears that the DJI Mavic 4 will rank among the company's most sophisticated drones. This drone is designed for professionals and enthusiasts who expect the best thanks to its enterprise-grade features, creative controller, and enhanced design. The Mavic 4 might be revolutionary for people who value portability, adaptability, and cutting-edge technology. The value it provides for professional applications is indisputable, even though the cost and licensing requirements may put off some hobbyists. That concludes our in-depth analysis of the DJI Mavic 4 today. For additional information on DJI's most recent developments and other groundbreaking tech news, keep checking out technology in the future. To ensure you never miss an update, remember to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe.